I'm Lovelace from the University of Leeds, and I went to a cycle hack event in Leeds 4 months ago. We've actually developed an application which I'm going to show you. So we've written some code, we've made it open source, which is what I think you should do. So I'm going to very quickly show you that because I think it's important not to reinvent the wheel continuously. We need to build on the shoulders of giants, which is just what we've done with our application, and understand what other people have done. So I'm just going to put you some pointers of what can really benefit people who want to build some kind of cycle-related app. We have a show of hands, who's heard of open source? I asked that to a group of transport planners, and then the next question was, who does transport planning using open source software? And basically 2 people out of 50 people who do transport planning use open source software. So I'm really into FOSS4G, this is my prop, my computer. We need to use open source solutions because they are scalable and you're not keeping it to yourself, you're letting your ideas spread, and surely that's what this is all about. Gabby mentioned Strava data, so they're willing to charge £20,000 for data. I mean, come on, we can do better than that. We are the community. We can generate our own data using open source, so I'm really happy to see this guy talking about crowdsourced data, someone else talking about crowdsourced data, and that's precisely what I recommend you do. So in terms of actual digital technology, I highly advocate the use of cyclestreets.net API. You can just send a request and you get an API key, and you can send thousands of requests off per, well, you can send certainly a few hundred per minute to their servers, and you'll get back routes allocated to the road network. I work for the University of Leeds, but I'm working on a contract now for the Department for Transport, and we're building the National Propensity to Cycle tool. So I think some of the stuff and some of the lessons learned will be of use.